Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're in the middle of buying a home, you know that earnest money is that all-important deposit you make to show you're serious about the deal. But in 2025, who wants to deal with the hassle of writing a check? Today, we're diving into simple, modern ways to pay earnest money electronically, making the process faster and more secure. First things first, let's quickly cover what earnest money is. It's essentially a good faith deposit, usually 1 to 3% of the home's purchase price, held in escrow until closing. Traditionally, people use checks, but with digital advancements in 2025, there are safer alternatives that avoid risks like checks getting lost, bouncing, or taking forever to clear. So, why skip the check? Simple, it saves time, reduces fraud risks, and fits into our fast-paced world. Let's look at some top options. One of the most reliable is a wire transfer. It's instant and secure. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Get the exact bank details from your real estate agent or escrow company. Step 2. Log into your online banking app or website, select the wire transfer option, and enter the details along with the amount. Step 3. Double-check everything to avoid errors, then confirm the transfer. Most banks offer this for free or a small fee, and it'll hit the recipient's account almost immediately. Another great choice is using digital payment platforms like Zelle, Venmo, or even credit card services through approved real estate apps. However, always confirm with your agent that these methods are acceptable, as not all sellers or states allow them for earnest money. For extra peace of mind, consider escrow services that handle electronic funds transfers. They act as a neutral third party to ensure everything goes smoothly. Remember, the key is to communicate with your real estate professional to make sure your payment method complies with local laws and contract terms. By going digital, you're not just being efficient, you're stepping into the future of real estate transactions. In wrapping up, paying earnest money without a check is straightforward, secure, and perfect for 2025's tech-savvy buyers. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.